hours, no subscribers, no views. Turn off this now. 2025 update. No watch hour, no subscribers, no views. Turn this off now. 2025 updates. It is very important now to know that if you don't get views, if you get less views, if you don't get any views, it is very important to know that your channel have a problem. You have to turn off and turn on some of things. For example, if you want your videos to go viral, or to have a flow, or to have more views, it is very important you have to create a playlist. That is number one. Create a playlist. If you don't know what is playlist, it is combination of all your videos who are related and put in under one album. Yes, if you are, for example, dealing with entertainment, all your songs are supposed to be under one album. That is a playlist one. You can create different playlists, maybe up to 5 different types. Yes, if it is about education, you put education album. You have to know that like that. Playlists are created, for example, when you enter on your YouTube studio on Google, you enter on your YouTube studio. After clicking on your YouTube studio, you enter on your channel. When you enter on your channel, you get you enter on your channel customization. From the playlist on your left side, you will see there is playlist. You will see there is content, there is customization, there is monetization. Select content. When you select content, on the upper side, you will see there is a video, there is a short, there is a podcast. You will see the playlist. You see all those sort of things. Click on playlist to create a new playlist. When you click on playlist, if you have never created any playlist, create new playlist. Click create new playlist. If you have an existing, add to the existing playlist. Or on your left, on your right hand corner, there is an icon where you see where you see your videos. There is on the hand corner, you see where you create videos. Where you create your videos, you can create new playlist. Yes, that is how you create a playlist, and everything will be yes. Here from this, and this follow the following steps, and you will be able to create your playlist. Thank you. If you want to know how to create playlist on your YouTube studio, enter on your YouTube studio. It is important to know how to create playlist. This is my YouTube channel. You have to know how to create playlist. Click that picture so that it bring you the whole channel. On channel customization, enter on your content so that you get to see videos, playlist. You see videos, shorts, live, podcast, playlist. If you want to create playlist, you just click on playlist. When you click on playlist, if you have never created any playlist, you will see here create new. When you create new, then you add your playlist. Then when you create your playlist, then save. You'll save, or go here, go on your create new playlist. You see, create new playlist. That is how to create playlist. And create playlist, you can create even to 5 playlists. You see, YouTube video playlist, and it is a karaoke playlist. Yes, I have 2 playlists, and the playlists are the best thing because it make your channel organized and recommendable to other people because it have a good playlist. Yes, that is how to create playlist. 2. Optimize your ad screen. Optimizing your ad screen and the use of YouTube card. Optimize your ad screen and know the use of your YouTube card. It is very important to know that there is ad screen and YouTube card. When you enter on your YouTube studio, you click on your YouTube studio, enter on your YouTube channel, that is YouTube customization, click on content where you were creating your playlist. When you click on your content, on the upper side where there is video, short, playlist, click on video. When you click on video, click on one video to re-edit. When you click on the video, you see the detail. Click the word detail. On the detail, you are supposed to edit on detail. On the add side, you will see the add screen or the cards. Click on your add screen. On your add screen, you are supposed to follow that by creating the video or the type of things, the type of variety you want to. Maybe the first video and the center of your to be the channel, and the last one to be the playlist. Yes, what is the format do you like? You select the format. After selecting the format, select the video, then click save there on the After clicking the save, then on down part, click on card. On the card, select the card, then re-edit, click on the video or the playlist. Click the video, select the video you want, then select the playlist. After selecting the playlist, click save, and then you optimize up to which level, which is the information you want to enter to be in the front of your video. Then select the format, then click save at the end of the screen. Yes, that is how to create add screen, add the cards. It is very important. After the audience or the creator or the people who are watching your videos are listening to your videos. When they listen to your videos, at the end of the screen, after the end of your video, there is this add screen will appear. Which next video? That is the add screen. At the end of your screen, what is the next video? What is the next playlist? People can click and still continue following your videos. That will make your video to grow, and it will continue until the end. It can continue until the end. Yes, it is important to know that your videos will be flowing. It will have a flow from this one to the next, from this one to the next, from this like that. Your videos are being suggested by the YouTube. YouTube will be able to suggest and recommend your videos because they are well organized than one here and that. Yes, your channel is organized and they have a flow. Yes, it is very important to know that your videos will be suggested by YouTube and you will have views and subscribers at the same time. Yes, this is how to go about the end screen and how to create cards. This is the procedure. Thank you. Creating your ad screen or a YouTube card, it is very important to know how to create ad screen and a YouTube card. Enter on your YouTube studio. This is YouTube Triza Karaoke YouTube studio, and click. When you enter on your YouTube studio, you get on your channel. Then you enter on your channel customization. You see my channel customization. Enter on your content. Content are things like video, playlist, podcast, promotion. All of these are channel contents. Everything you create, it is a content. So enter on your one of your video. Enter one of your video. Maybe it's this. This is my video, one of my video. Enter on your details. When you enter on your details, at the end of the corner, you see subtitle, ad screen, and cards. Yes, you see subtitle, add screen, add card. Click on add screen. This is add screen. When you enter on your add screen, you will see the different formats of how you want your video to appear. You can select how do you want your video to appear. This is one video and one playlist. So how do you want your video to appear? I like this one. One video, my channel and my channel, one video, my channel, and the playlist. I like this one. You select, you see how it appears. One of the best video, and the other is the playlist, and that is my channel. Then after there, then you say here subscriber tutiriza karaoke best viewer. Select the video. Where do you want, which video do you want to be the add screen of your after the video is watched? Which is the next video, most recent upload, best viewers, which choose the specific video. You choose most recent upload. Then after selecting most recent upload, then select the playlist. Which playlist do you want to be the head of your screen? This one. Maybe I want that one to be my. Then when you select the playlist, then click save your playlist. Yes, that is the head of your head screen, and it will be the best because it will have a flow, and you will have a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and a lot of audience on your YouTube because it have a flow. After this one, there is another entering. Yes, so your audience will never end watching your videos. That is how to create your add screen. Then we have card. You see the card? On your card, you see there is a video, you see there is a playlist or channel. So select the video, add card. Which is your best add? You want that video to be the next, or the related video to the one which you are uploading now. Maybe this one. After selecting that one, you see it become there. Then this is it. How do you want this message to appear on the top of your video? How do you want your message to appear? Maybe, for example, best song. Add here best song. Then you remove like that one. It will start from there up to here. Then save. That is the add card. You have completed everything. Yes, then you go back. That is how to create add screen and a YouTube card. And everything it will have a flow. You see, after this one, yes, after every end of this video there is another one. After the end of this video there is another one. There is a flow of your channel. It is very recommendable, and it will be suggested by the YouTube algorithm.